Okay, so continuing our lecture. Okay, the first worksheet we have done, in which we circle the objects which were lighter. This is the worksheet for the questions, and this was for worksheet for the answers. Next, we were doing worksheet number 2. Circle the objects which is heavier. Circle the object which is heavier. So, moving towards the answers. A school bus is heavier and a paper clip is lighter. A school bus is heavier and a paper clip is lighter. A book is lighter and a boy is heavier, so that we have circled the boy. A computer is heavier and a cup of tea is lighter. A computer is heavier and a cup of tea is lighter. So we have circled the computer. Next we have a toothbrush and a toy train. So a toy train is made up of a plastic and very light in weight. So a toy train is and it is heavier, but it is heavier than a toothbrush. So a toy train is heavier and a toothbrush is lighter. Next we have worksheet number 2. That was a part of worksheet number 1, in which we circled the heavier and the lighter. Now worksheet number 2, write the names of two weight measuring instruments. Write the names of two weight measuring instruments. So first one is weighing scale, and the next one is using a bucket balance. Often you have seen this scale, which is used for the weight of a person and weight of the objects as well. You have seen this many times on the grocery shops as well. Okay, and this is the casual weight measuring instrument, which is used by our local people and everyone. You can see this instrument everywhere. So the name of two weight measuring instrument, in which there are weighing scale and a bucket balance. Next, this is your homework. Do the above worksheet by yourself and paste it on your maths copy. ठीक है? You will just take a printout of this worksheet, then solve this worksheet and paste the worksheet on your neat maths copy. ठीक है, आपने इसका पहले प्रिंट निकलवाना है, उसके बाद जो आंसर्स हैं लाइक सर्कल द ऑब्जेक्ट दैट वे मोर. फर्स्ट वाले में यू हैव टू सर्कल द ऑब्जेक्ट विच इज हैवियर. उस जो हैवी है आपने उसको सर्कल कर देना है. ठीक है. द नेक्स्ट वन वी हैव सर्कल द ऑब्जेक्ट दैट वे लेस. जिसका वेट कम है यू हैव टू सर्कल दैट. ठीक है, उसको आपने सर्कल करना है. देन यू हैव टू पेस्ट दिस वर्कशीट ऑन योर मैथ्स कॉपी. Thank you. And I'm again repeating worksheet number 1 since our recording disrupted. Worksheet number 1 was circle the object which is lighter. So a car is lighter and is a car lighter or a CD lighter? So a CD is lighter than a car. Mobile phone and a clip. Compare them. A clip is lighter and a mobile phone is heavier. Nail and a hammer. A nail is lighter and a hammer is heavier. Sunglasses and a pile of books. So sunglasses is lighter and a pile of book is heavier. Now how you are going to do all this work on your neat maths copy? You are seeing this worksheet which is without answers. ठीक है, इसके मैं आपके सामने वो वर्कशीट डिस्प्ले है जिसमें आंसर्स सर्कल नहीं हुए हैं. ठीक है, यू हैव टू टेक अ प्रिंट आउट ऑफ दिस वर्कशीट. ठीक है, आपने इसका प्रिंट आउट लेना है, इसको आपने सर्कल करना है एंड देन यू हैव टू पेस्ट इट ऑन योर मैथ्स कॉपी एज यू हैव टू डू द होमवर्क. ठीक है. Next one, this worksheet, the first two worksheets. Okay, first two worksheets you have to take a print of these worksheets, solve by your own. ठीक है, आंसर्स वाली वर्कशीट आई हैव प्रोवाइडेड फॉर योर कन्वीनियंस, लेकिन आपने उसका प्रिंट लेके नहीं पेस्ट कर देना. ये क्वेश्चन वाली वर्कशीट का आपने प्रिंट लेना है. ठीक है, यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट बाय योरसेल्फ विद योर पेंसिल एंड देन यू हैव टू पेस्ट इट ऑन योर नीट मैथ्स कॉपी. ठीक है, दोनों वर्कशीट आप इसी तरह करेंगे, होमवर्क की वर्कशीट भी आप इसी तरह करेंगे, ठीक है। एंड दिस वर्कशीट नंबर 2 यू विल राइट दिस, यू विल राइट ऑन योर मैथ्स कॉपी विद योर पेंसिल्स, ठीक है। इसकी कोई आपने प्रिंट आउट नहीं लेना, कुछ भी नहीं करना, जस्ट कॉपी इट ऑन योर नीट मैथ्स कॉपी, ठीक है, इन अ नीट एंड एलिजिबल handwriting. Now I'm going to stop sharing my screen. If you have any queries, any question, you may ask.